Fonetica limbii române. Romanian Phonics. Hi, this is Mihnea. Welcome to Romanian Hub, the ultimate Romanian language learning portal. In this episode, we're gonna look at literele S, T. Letters S, T. Hai să începem. Let's start. Litera S. Letter S. The name of this letter in the Romanian alphabet is S or Se or S. It is pronounced like S in snake. Snake. The target vocabulary for this lesson is suc, stea, salcâm. Now, let's see, what do these words mean? Suc, suc, juice. Stea, stea, star. Salcâm, salcâm, locust tree. Now, let's put these words in sentences. Vreau niște suc de portocale. Vreau niște suc de portocale. I want some orange juice. Am văzut o stea căzătoare. Am văzut o stea căzătoare. I saw a shooting star. Bunica mea are un salcâm în grădină. Bunica mea are un salcâm în grădină. My grandmother has a locust tree in the garden. Litera T. Letter T. The name of this letter in the Romanian alphabet is T or Te. It is pronounced like T in stop. Stop. The target vocabulary for this lesson is tavă, tigru, toamnă. Now, let's see, what do these words mean? Tavă, tavă, tray. Tigru, tigru, tiger. Toamnă, toamnă, autumn. Now, let's put these words in sentences. Tava e plină cu mâncare. Tava e plină cu mâncare. The tray is full of food. Am văzut un tigru la grădina zoologică. Am văzut un tigru la grădina zoologică. I saw a tiger at the zoo. Mergem la munte în fiecare toamnă. Mergem la munte în fiecare toamnă. We go to the mountain every autumn. And now you know how to pronounce words correctly in Romanian. Make sure you don't miss the next episode. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and also share and like this video. We would love to hear from you. Let us know in the comment section below what other kinds of Romanian language lessons you would like to see on this awesome channel. Until next time, this is Mihnea, your Romanian language teacher. Salut!